hawak lahat ng ticket, lumagpas.
Patay. Alam na ba niya? Mark ano?
Mark Putol.
Umalis na?
Ano Mark? Dumiretso rin sa dulong tol. Hintayin namin yun. Nasa kanya lahat ng ticket.
Alam niya.
Titext ko lang ngayon eh.
Patay.
Makauna pa kayo
I love you, Mark. I love you, Mark.
I love you, Mark.
Isa naman dyan, ano? I love you, Mark.
I love you, Mark.
Very good, Mark.
Very good.
We talk with everybody first.
So those who are not getting instructors, the marshal is Rainier.
And Marshall, we don't have to pass. No one passes on the border.
Kasi yung bahala na sila.
Yes, gulat ko dun ah.
Okay, good morning everybody. Track briefing please listen to Joy.
Good morning everyone! I'm Joy Alberto. Huwag mo lagay yan. Kaya ko. Nakarcho sa kabila. Anyway.
Jonathan!
Magkulit ka!